Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I will tell you how you can fix generative fill not showing in Photoshop beta. So I have facing this problem that this feature generative fill not showing in my Photoshop beta. How you can fix this problem I will tell you. There are numerous ways that help you to fix this problem. Hope you like this video and subscribe our channel Zero to Infinity. So this problem arises if you are using the Photoshop beta. So I have faced this same problem, but I have concluded the solution of the problem. You need to join the beta to fix this problem. So in the Photoshop app you need to join the beta, and after joining the beta your problem will be solved. And Adobe CC has a beta tab that looks like a scientific baker. You can download and install the beta version if PS from there. So it will help you to fix the problem, and it's only available in 24.6 beta. So you can try to install that, and after installing this beta you need to restart your device and try to run this app again. And when you are trying to run this app, your problem will be solved, and now you got this feature generative fill, and you can easily use this feature on your Adobe. So in this way you can fix this problem. If you are yet facing any problem, you can simply tell us in the comment section of the video. I will reply your each and every query. And don't forget to share this video, and please support our channel and subscribe our channel Zero to Infinity. And your one subscribe gave us more motivation to upload more videos.